The 2024 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is a new trim level that tops a lineup that also includes the entry-level SR, mid-grade SR5, resurrected TRD Pre-Runner, TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, Luxurious Limited, and Desert Off-Road TRD Pro trim levels. The Trailhunter is configured as a 4-door double cab or crew cab, and is available with either the short 5-foot bed or longer 6-footer. Considered a halo variant on par with the TRD Pro, the Trailhunter factory-developed overlanding rig gets the upper echelon when it comes to standard equipment. The overlanding style kit fitted to the Tacoma Trailhunter including Old Man Emu shocks, ARB utility bar in the bed, Rigid Industries dual-color LED fog lights, and an in-house low-profile, high-mount intake hits all the right notes. The Tacoma Trailhunter's new shocks, springs, and forged upper control arms raise the truck's front end by 2 inches and the rear 1.5 inches for better ground clearance. Standard underbody skid plates and underdoor rock rails provide protection when the clearance isn't enough, and red ARB tow hooks under the rear bumper give you a safe place to pull from when you get stuck. While a beefed-up suspension might make you feel invincible off-road, it pays to know how that suspension is set up. Despite some similarities, the Tacoma Trailhunter is not the TRD Pro and isn't designed for desert-style, high-speed hijinks. It's the tortoise, not the hare, meant to crawl over obstacles in the trail, not jump in. Although it's capable of doing just about anything the TRD Pro can off-road, it's built to do it a lot slower. Impacts are felt a bit more strongly in the cabin, and you don't get the Tacoma's optional fancy suspension seats to cushion the blows. Like the TRD Pro, it gets the iForce Max hybrid powertrain standard, which combines a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 48 horsepower 184 pound-feet electric motor for a combined whopping 326 horsepower and enormous 465 pound-feet of torque. The transmission is an 8-speed automatic. Max towing for this engine is 6,000 pounds, and max payload is a 1,709 pound, but those figures aren't Trailhunter specific. Inside, the Trailhunter gets the 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, larger 14.0-inch multimedia display, head-up display, and heated and cooled front seats. For example, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 is standard across the whole Tacoma lineup. As with some of the other upper trims, there's a JBL Flex portable Bluetooth speaker that docks on the dashboard, but can be removed should you want to take the music campsite. The all-new Trailhunter is going to run you about $64,395 to $64,895.